I refurbished another 81 emissions computer for the 2F. I replaced the electrolytic capacitors and touched up the solder connections for the connector underneath there. And running through the test right now, this controls 3 VSVs and the fuel cut solenoid. And the second air injection VSV is the most complicated because it has the temperature switch or sensor input, it has RPM input, it has manifold vacuum input, and it has vehicle speed input. And so all of those have to be adjusted at various times to get the VSV to come on and off. And right now I have the temperature sensor where the truck thinks it's less than 600 degrees. The RPM is set to less than 1330 RPM. The vacuum switch is closed and the truck is going roughly, I think, 20 mile an hour, something like that. But if I increase the speed to greater than 50 mile an hour, say by doing this, you can see the light comes on. And if I reduce speed again, it goes off. I'm using my handy vehicle speed sensor doodad I made. It's a lot easier to use than what I had set up before. It basically it makes a square wave depending on the frequency of the input from the frequency generator there. And I can keep an eye on it there on the screen too. So this one's working really well, and I'm about done with it, and I'll be putting it up for sale.